In this video, I want to share with you this crazy Supertrend indicator trading strategy that has the potential to double your trading account. And along with this trading strategy, I'll be sharing with you the golden rules that will allow you to take higher risk to our ratio trades and also how you can manage your risk properly. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, as this channel is currently new and I'm trying to post consistently, bringing you new indicators and strategies, and your subscriptions are a great motivation for me. To backtest this strategy, we're going to use the gold chart, and we're on a 15-minute time frame, as you can see here. In order to add the indicators, let's go to the indicator tab, and here we're going to search for the Supertrend indicator. And this indicator is made by Quebec Belgique, so we're going to add this twice to the chart. Now once the indicators are added, let's go towards the indicator settings and make the changes. Inside the settings of the indicator, let's go towards the inputs tab, and here we're going to change this ATR period from 10 to 20, and also we're going to change this ATR multiplier from 3 to 5. Once these changes are done, let's go towards the style tab, and here we want to change these colors, green colors to sky blue, and we want to change these red colors to almost pink. Once these changes are done, let's hit OK, and now let's talk about how you can trade using this indicator. But before we do that, first of all, let's talk about how does the indicator work. The indicator works by plotting these green and red lines, and this is similar to the moving average line, because if the price action is happening above this green line, that would mean that the market is in bullish trend, and if the price action is happening below this red line, that would mean that the market is in bearish trend. Now this indicator also plots these buy and sell signals, and these are very good, but sometimes they do give a lot of false signals. So in order to filter out those bad signals, we're gonna use this indicator twice, and we have changed the ATR period so that we can filter out these bad signals. Now that you know about how does the indicator work, let's talk about the trading rules for taking long and short positions. So the rules for taking long positions are that the Supertrend indicator has to issue a buy signal, as you can see like here, and the Supertrend indicator, the slow Supertrend, should be inside this fast Supertrend. So as you can see here, we would open our long position at the close of this candle here, and we would put our stop loss at the last swing low, and we'll be targeting 1.5 risk to our ratio. So if I just go ahead and move our stop loss to this, and we'll be targeting 1.5 risk to our ratio. So you can see that this trade was a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio. Now let me just go ahead and look for any other trade. For example, here you can see that there is another buy signal issued, and also the fast Supertrend indicator is below this Supertrend indicator, so we can take this long position confidently and put our entry at the close of this candle, and we can put our stop loss at the last swing low, and we will be targeting again 1.5 risk to our ratio. So if I just move this risk to our ratio here, you can see that this trade again was a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio. Now let's talk about the trading rules for taking short position. The first rule is that there should be a sell signal issued by the Supertrend indicator, and the fast Supertrend indicator should be below this slow Supertrend indicator, as you can see here. And once these conditions are met, we're going to take a short position at the close of this candle here. So we can put our entry at the close of this candle, and we can put our stop loss at the last swing high, and we will be targeting again 1.5 risk to our ratio. So as you can see, again, this trade was a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio. Now let me just go ahead and look for any other trade following these conditions. So as you can see here, there is another sell signal issued, but in this case, the fast Supertrend indicator is above the slow Supertrend line, so we would not take this trade. Now let me just go ahead and look for any other sell trades. As you can see again here, the conditions are not met, because the fast Supertrend indicator is here, but the slow Supertrend indicator has drawn this line here. So at this sell signal, there was not the slow Supertrend line above this fast Supertrend line, so we would not take this trade as well. Now here is another example of how you can take short position using this indicator. So as you can see here, there is this fast Supertrend indicator issuing a sell signal, and also the slow Supertrend indicator line is above it, so we can take this short position at the close of this candle here, and we can put our stop loss at the last swing high, as you can see here, and we will be targeting again 1.5 risk to our ratio. So as you can see, our 1.5 risk to our ratio was met, and this trade was again a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio. Now as you saw that the indicator works pretty well, but there are some shortcomings. As you can see in this case here, the indicator misses out a lot of signals when the markets are ranging, because this indicator is a Supertrend indicator and it works very well when the markets are trending. So in this case here, you can see that the sell signal is issued here, but the sell signal by the slow Supertrend indicator is issued very late, so we would miss this trade. And again here you can see that this would have been a good trade, but In this case here, the buy signal was issued by the fast Supertrend, but the slow Supertrend line was issuing a signal here, so we would again miss this trade. So these are the shortcomings of this indicator and this strategy, but I'm going to show you how you can apply another indicator to solve this problem. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this fast Supertrend, and we're gonna keep this slow Supertrend on our chart. Now let's go to the indicator tab, and here you want to search for HVI, and you want to add this Hawken Eye volume indicator by Lazy Bear. So we're gonna add this to a chart. And another indicator that we're gonna use is called the QQE mod. So we're gonna go towards the indicator tab, and here we're gonna search for QQE, and we're gonna add this indicator by Michael to the chart. Now here we want to tweak these indicators a little bit, because we want to go to the indicator settings of the HVI, and we want to change this value of the divisor from 3.6 to 1.5. and now let's hit OK. As you can see, after doing this change, the colors of the red and green volume bars decreased a lot, and this is in our favor. Now in the QQE mod indicator, we're going to go towards the indicator setting, and inside the style we want to hide these QQE line. Now using this strategy, you will be able to filter out a lot of bad signals, and also the shortcomings of the fast Supertrend indicator issuing a signal but slow Supertrend not confirming it will be solved using this strategy. So now using this new strategy, we should be able to take a short position when the QQE mod turns from green to this blue to red, and also the volume bar has to be negative. As you can see here in this case here, this is a very good sell signal, and this Supertrend indicator is also issuing a sell signal, so we can take a short position at the close of this candle here, and we can put our stop loss at the last swing high, and again we'll be targeting 1.5 risk to our ratio. So as you can see here, in this case, the 1.5 risk to our ratio gets completed at this candle here, and this trade is again a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio. Now let me just go ahead and show you how you can use this in order to take long position. In this case here, you can see that the indicator is issuing a long signal, but here you can see that the volume or the QQE mod indicator is not giving us a very strong signal of the buy, because the conditions are not being met. As you can see here, the volume bar or the histogram bar is not blue, so it's not turning from this red to blue. Now let's look for any other long position that we can find, and as you can see here on this buy signal, the indicator Supertrend indicator is issuing this buy signal on this buy signal, the volume bar is green, which means that there is volume present, and also the QQE mod histogram is showing us a blue color, so we're good to take a long position at the close of this candle. So we will take a long position at the close of this candle, and we'll put our stop loss at this last swing low, and again we'll be targeting 1.5 risk to our ratio. So as you can see, the 1.5 risk to our ratio is met, and this trade is again a profit of 1.5 risk to our ratio, which is again very great. So this is how you can use the Supertrend indicator, and how you can use this volume indicator and QQE mod indicator in order to take very good long and short positions. And also, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to answer them. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.